Select one underlined word or phrase that needs to be changed to make the sentence correct, or indicate that none of the underlined parts are in error. There is a department advisory board for each department which decide what to offer and reviews courses to periodically update them. Let's go through each choice to see if there's a mistake that needs correcting. B. Which. Which and that are two words that can often be confused with one another. Which is correct in this context, and how can we know? Put simply, which is used for non-restrictive clauses, which add extra non-essential information, while that is used for restrictive clauses, which are essential to the meaning of the sentence. In our sentence, it's arguable whether which decides what to offer and reviews courses to periodically update them is essential or not. It's true that the sentence would remain grammatically correct even without this phrase, if it were to just say, there is a department advisory board for each department. However, it could be argued that the which clause is essential, as without it, we're simply told of the existence of the advisory board, but not anything about what it actually does. Because this grammar point could really go either way, let's keep an eye on it for now as we take a look at our other choices. C. Decide. The subject of the clause is board, which is singular. However, the verb here is decide, which is plural. This creates a subject-verb agreement error. To correct this error, we'd say, there is a department advisory board for each department which decides what to offer, etc. As this choice features a mistake that definitely needs correcting, as opposed to our previous choice, we can now see that choice C makes a better answer for what needs to be corrected, and we can now mark off choice B, which could be considered correct. This is likely our answer, but let's take a look at choice D just to be sure. D. Update. The verb update is correct here. It follows the phrase to periodically, and the infinitive to update is properly used. As there are no mistakes here, we can mark this choice off and go ahead and mark choice C as our final answer.